So what I'm going to do right now is just a quick demo of how to tone your canvas, and which would be really helpful to have done before you come to the class or workshop, because then we can dive right into getting the portrait outline onto the canvas right away. And I love the idea of just jumping right into the painting. Less talk, more action, that type of thing. So what I have here is some turpentine. I used old jeans for wiping off paint. It's kind of good because it seems to be a little less dust on it, and works nicely. Anyway, I have here a brush that is just an old one that will be good for mixing. And I have 3 colors here, which is the black, the ochre, and burnt umber. And what I'm going to do is put just a little dab of black, and let's see, I'm going to put maybe a little bit more, maybe twice as more of the burnt umber. And let's see, is it going to come out? Of course not. Let's see, not for the video. Let's see, we're going to try. It doesn't have to be, here you go, here it comes. I would put just about double the amount, same as the burnt umber. I'm going to take this and mush it around. And so what you get is almost, it's a dark color, but it's warmer. Actually looks kind of green right now. And we are going to take this and put a little bit of, tad bit of turpentine in it. Sometimes I put more if I have a really big canvas. Today I'm putting less because I happen to have an old canvas that I want to reuse of a failed attempt portrait, which you guys will get to see. Please don't judge. So let's see, I'm mixing this up, trying to get all the, maybe a better way of doing this, but this works. I kind of keep my process really simple. It's not complicated. For me, I just don't think I have to make it more complicated in order to get a good painting. So, okay, so that should do. There's still some chunks, but that's okay. So, let me see if I can move this around. Bear with me. Move my tabouret around so you can see this really awful portrait that I thought was going to be really good, but came out to be really kitschy, I guess. My friend Lauren, who's very beautiful and I thought looked like Nefertiti. I have a thing for Egyptian art, and I wanted to play with it, but I'm not digging it. I mean, it would have been a perfectly beautiful painting, but no. So anyway, so now I have my canvas here, and of course I've run out of shop towels, which is not a good idea. Let's see, not a good idea to use paper towels because it's got too much dust on it. So I'm gonna cut, I don't know, okay, you can't see this, but I'm cutting a little piece of the pair of jeans that I showed you guys. And you could use blue shop towels also, but it's going to be a tad messy, so I recommend some gloves. And now I have a little piece, probably should go a little bigger, but, and now, let's see, and now I have my little bit of paint thinned down. And I'm going to cover the painting with this tone. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to get an overall average, just an overall same value tone of the tone. So in my case with this is not going to work because I'm not getting what I want in order to show you guys. And let's see if I have another canvas somewhere here that's toned. But that's what you would do. Bear with me, I got a lot. Oh, maybe this. Oh, no, this is not that toned. No. Okay, so anyway, here's another one that's I toned, just a sketch I did. But as you can see, this has got just a really light brown color to it, and that's what you're going to want your canvas to look like before you come to class or to the workshops. And that would be accomplished by using the mixture of paint and turpentine and rubbing around. And, you know, you don't want it too light, but, you know, I guess maybe 30% value would probably be good. And it'll dry, and it'll be perfect to just jump right in when we're in class. So that's it. I just wanted to put that out there to send to all of you guys first. And I really can't wait to teach with you guys. So very exciting. I will talk to you guys soon. See you soon. Bye.